Hi there. Today I'm taking you through a flip through the pages of our wedding album. It took me 5 years to finally put this whole album together. I learned so much along the way. I encountered every roadblock you could imagine. Time just seemed to escape me. I had family members pass away. I got pregnant. I had a baby. I moved. It took 5 years to make this wedding album. By sharing my story of how long it took me to make this album and sharing the process along the way, I learned from others that I'm not alone in this boat. DIY wedding album making is no joke, man. That's why I created a DIY wedding album workshop that I'll be launching in August to help you cut through all the challenges I faced and get your wedding album finally made. In this workshop, we'll pick an album company to print with. I'll give you a system for backing up your most precious digital images. I'll help you cut through the overwhelm of picking the best photos and show you how to lay out your album so that your photos tell you a story of the big day that you can share for generations to come. You will walk away with a final album at the end, and you will be proud of yourself for having created this timeless heirloom forever. Join me today by sending me an email to Kiera@frameoflifeproject.com or shoot me a DM on Instagram @frameoflifeproject. I'd love to hear from you and can't wait to help you make your wedding album a reality.